The Nigerian government admitted that it has been asking deposit money banks to consider giving them longer-term financing and larger-size financing. This was disclosed by Nigeria's Minister of Finance, Budget and National Planning, Zainab Ahmed, at the 36th African Union Summit in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, on Friday. The minister also noted that the cost of finance Nigeria faces is a roadblock as Nigeria ends up going at a very high cost. Ahmed said Nigeria needs to close the skill gap in finance and urged others to address the food price problem to maintain a steady GDP growth rate at an average of 3% in Nigeria. Nigeria's public debt stock, which includes external and domestic debt, stood at 44.06 trillion naira in Q3 of 2022, having risen by 1.22 trillion naira from 42.84 trillion naira in Q2 of the same year. Global oil and gas upstream investments in 2022 rose by 39% from the previous year to $499 billion, the highest level since 2014, due to high costs, according to a report by the International Energy Forum and S&P Global Commodity Insights. According to the report, drilling remained below pre-pandemic levels last year as inflation ate away at the spending. The number of drilling rigs rose by 22% in 2022, but this was still 10% below 2019 levels. It is also said the recovery in 2022 marked a change from the previous 2 years when capital expenditure slumped, with the COVID-19 pandemic contributing to a tightening of global energy markets, price spikes, and natural gas shortages. In 2022, the report said nearly 2.2 million barrels per day of new capacity were approved or sanctioned, falling short of the 2019's high, while annual upstream investment will need to increase from $499 billion in 2022 to $640 billion in 2030 to ensure adequate supplies. Bitcoin hit an 8-month high to surge past $25,000 on Thursday as the volatile cryptocurrency rises despite pressure from U.S. regulators. The digital coin has soared by 50% since the start of the year, though it remains far off its peak of $68,992, which it reached in November of 2021. It reached $25,249 on Thursday, its highest point since June, and the first time it topped the $25,000 mark since August. And finally, in stocks, a total turnover of 751.990 million shares worth 20.575 billion naira in 15,822 deals was traded this week by investors on the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. The financial services industry, measured by volume, led the activity chart, while the consumer goods industry and the industrial goods industry came second and third, respectively. The NGX All-Share Index and market capitalization depreciated by 0.96% and 0.95% to close the week at 53,804.46 and 29.310 trillion naira, respectively. 36 equities appreciated in price during the week, with 27 depreciating, while 94 equities remain unchanged. And that's it on Business News. I am Chiamaka Nwafo.